Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jill and I love to DIY. It doesn't always turn out the way I want to.
I don't know if this is right.
But the effort was there. Subscribe to see more videos of me testing out your favorite DIYs.
If I had the choice of DIYing it or buying it, I would 100% DIY it. Today's mission, make a bucket hat. Okay, let's go.
Step 1. Find a tutorial and a pattern. I'll link it below in the description box. Step 2. Source your fabric and cut it out. Step 3. Call it a day and play some Animal Crossing. I'm just kidding, I only played for about 3 hours.
So apparently the next part's pretty simple. I just sew these two sides together and I'm gonna do that now. Okay, I'm done and now I've got something that may fit on my head. Although I feel like it's a bit too big for me. Actually, this looks like a sun visor that my mom would wear. So you pin the wrong sides together so that when you flip it over, you've got a hat.
After that, I straight stitched everything together.
This whole time I've been sewing, but the bobbin thread ran out.
Okay, let's try that again.
What does this look like?
It's like one of those Italian contacts.
It doesn't look anything like it. After all of that, it was the wrong piece. I didn't listen to the girl's advice to keep the pattern on the pattern pieces so you don't get mixed up. I fixed it and now it looks a little bit better, but it still looks funny. What do you think, Jordan?
You know that monkey from Aladdin?
I am not... What's it called?
Abu! I'm not Abu! After that, I pinned the long strips right side together and sewed it down on the long edge. Then I flipped it out and sewed it along the short edge.
I'm supposed to get a brim if I flip it inside out. Note to self, don't use red suede when making a bucket hat. Kind of looks like it.
Then I top stitched all around that circle thing to give it more shape.
Okay, now that I've done one line, it is a lot more sturdy, so I'm going to continue and do the rest. Now I'm done with all of the lines. I think I did pretty well. And now the thing's completely flat and I can sew it onto the other side. Okay guys, so this is what we've got. I mean, it's definitely wearable, but I wouldn't say it's the best. But you know what? When in doubt, try again. Okay, I'm gonna make one out of Jordan's tea towels. He doesn't know, so I'm gonna ask him for permission. Jordan, can I use your tea towels?
What?
Okay, cool. These are my two victims. Oh yeah, let's get into it.
I just cut out the pattern pieces.
Okay, I've cut out all my pieces, and to avoid the mistake I made last time, I have put all the pieces with the pattern on top.
And I sewed it together.
Alright, go up, part down. Looking good so far.
This is not in the pattern, but I cut some slits so that it's easier to flip it inside out.
Okay, this time, instead of sewing the two long pieces together and flipping it inside out, because I have two different patterns, I have to connect this with this. So, I think what I'm supposed to be doing is putting the wrong side together and pinning it together and then sewing it together. Oh my gosh, it looks half decent. I'm actually really surprised that it's not bad. Not bad. I am a complete idiot because, as you can see, it's checkered at the top and there are lines at the bottom. I got the patterns mixed up. Okay, you know what? We'll boil it down to this was a design choice. I get the bad side, flip it inside out, so the good side's on the inside. And then I line both of the bad sides together. And I sew this together. But I leave a slot so I can flip it inside out. Alright, let's do it. Okay, moment of truth. Gonna flip this inside out and see how it goes. Note to self, next time leave a bigger gap because it is kind of really hard. Oh my gosh, amazing! We actually have something that looks like a bucket hat. This is the part where I have to sew it up, but so far, it's looking good. Now I just gotta do another top stitch and make those lines. And we're done. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty good. And it's reversible. Although I must say I do like the other side with the screwed up pattern a lot better, so I'm just gonna wear it one way. DIY mistakes, but make it fashion. Okay guys, that's all that I have for this week, but let me know in the comments down below what you thought about how I did. What do you think about this pattern? Is it okay? It's not too bad. Is it fashionable? But yeah. And if there's anything that you want me to try and DIY, link it down below and I will try it. I guess I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye. All right, let's see what Jordan thinks. Jordan, what do you think of my hat?
What?
What do you think of my hat?
Is that my tick character?
Yeah. He said I could use it.